Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer crypto from Ledger to Binance. And so the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Binance account right here. Now you could be using the application or in my case the web browser. Either way, it's going to be the same step. Once inside, you then want to click on the deposit button, which will then take you to this page on which you then have to select I have crypto assets, deposit crypto. Now the goal here is to go ahead and get our deposit address. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply select the asset that you want to deposit into your Binance. Let's say that you have USDT or USDC on your Ledger wallet, so you can just go ahead and select that right here. And right after that, you then want to select the right crypto network. From there, we will be able to simply get our deposit address. Right after getting our deposit address, you can just connect your Ledger wallet into your computer. And from there, you then want to specify the cryptocurrency that you wish to withdraw from your Ledger wallet. So in here, we have the ability to choose our crypto. So in our example, it's going to be USDT or USDC. And then you then want to enter the address that we got from our Binance account. Click on continue, enter the amount, review the transaction details, and then you should be good to go. Now in some models of Ledger, you then have to enter your PIN on your Ledger wallet, and from there you will be able to successfully transfer your Ledger crypto to Binance. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.